Welcome back to 876 Recipes TV. So in this video I'm going to do curry cabbage. Alright, so growing up in Jamaica, we couldn't cut the cabbage big. The cabbage must cut fine. I might have gotten a few coffin for cutting the cabbage big. My parents say me junk the cabbage. When you cut the cabbage big, them say you junk the cabbage or you junk the callaloo, because those things should cut very thinly, very fine, and very neat. Alright, I did not master the art of doing that, like I mentioned before, and I still haven't mastered the art. So I normally use a vegetable peeler. If my husband is home, he will cut it for me. He's very good at cutting up the cabbage very fine. So he's not home and I don't feel like using a vegetable peeler, so I'm using a food processor to get the cabbage as fine as possible. Yeah, because that's how we like it. The only way that the cabbage cut big is when we cut a cabbage into 4 pieces and then cook it down on top of the meat. That recipe already uploaded, but I do schedule uploads, so it is about number 6 or 7 before you will number 6 or 7 in line, because I have a lot of videos uploaded. Schedule upload, that works with me because I work, so I have to master my time very well. So as you can see, the carrot and the cabbage now cut, so I am putting them into a container. Yes, and this is how the cabbage should be in my house growing up and still in my house, because if I cut the cabbage big and give it to my husband, you're not gonna hear any night, because I'm not used to it. Like I said, we used to cutting our cabbage very fine, very neat, very thin, and very fine. All right, so I am just combining the carrot and the cabbage very well. And you might have seen 2 loose leaf of the cabbage because it's a machine, it's not perfect. Now I'm adding salt, then I'm gonna allow the cabbage to sit on the countertop for at least 5 minutes to release the gas, the sulfur. The sulfur is in the cabbage that causes a lot of people to belch a lot after eating it. Yes, so I normally let it sit on the countertop for like 5 minutes. Now I am gonna curry the cabbage. I put a pot on very low heat, added a few teaspoons of vegetable oil, then I added about 2 teaspoons of Indian curry. Now I am adding the mixed herbs, and I already uploaded a video how to blend how to blend the different herbs. So now I'm gonna allow the mixed herbs and the curry to cook for like 5 minutes. If I do not allow the curry to cook in the hot oil, then listen, toilet will be my best friend. All right, so now I am adding a little bit of all-purpose because I didn't put any on the cabbage, and I'm adding a black pepper, that is the Jamaican black pepper, which is Eve. If you notice, I'm stressing on Eve the other day. Yeah, man, my Eve is going on quite fine on my website. Alright, so now I'm gonna allow the all-purpose, the black pepper, the curry, and the mixed herbs to cook a little, probably for a few seconds, and then I'm adding the cabbage and the carrot. So now I am stirring it just to incorporate everything. Then I'm gonna cover the pot. Remember that my steamed cabbage, so no water will be added. And it is steamed cabbage, so I am gonna cover the pot and allow the cabbage to generate its own water, and that water alone will steam the cabbage. And it won't be long. Steamed cabbage takes like what, about 15 minutes or less, because remember that cabbage and carrot can be eaten raw, so there's no need to like cook it for a very long time. And if you like your cabbage crunchy, do not cover the pot. So now I am adding about 2 tablespoons of chiffon margarine. This is optional. You don't have to put margarine or butter in the cabbage. So I cover the pot and give it a few stir, and this is it. The cabbage is cooked. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video, and remember to share my videos as well. God bless you.